This is the new Ferdinand Berthoud caliber FB1L featuring an unusual display of the age of the moon and the moon phases. We transcribe the creation from Ferdinand Berthoud, that was the first master watchmaker that created an equation of time device. And this mechanism was used with a cam and filler spindle to display not an equation of time, but the age of the moon. This allows to display the number of days from the full moon to the new moon, and from the new moon to the full moon, with a hand. You see here, this hand moves smoothly back and forth, and it indicates very accurately how many days is remain from the full moon and the new moon, and so on, back and forth. This device is extremely accurate. We could adjust the mechanism to reach an accuracy of 1 day adjustment every 577 years. Of course, this is normal for a chronometer accurate of this level. One important point regarding also this mechanism that is patented is a second detail that we added on the left of the watch. Here you have a small selector that allows to adjust or the age of the moon, or by selecting the other position, the time. What has been patented is not the selector, but is the fact that during any adjustment or the moon phases or the time, the mechanism will never stop. So we never lose any second accuracy. Otherwise, it would be meaningless to have developed such an accurate moon phase display. And this is typical from the construction of Ferdinand Berthoud, that already at that time was creating moon phases of high precision, always adding the age of the moon information. On the back of the watch, you will notice that we have bring the power reserve that we had no space to display the power reserve on the front of the watch, so we bring it to the back. The movement so keep his thickness equivalent to the regulator we presented last year. That means a little bit less than 9 mm thick, and we keep our 53-hour power reserve with constant force divide. You will also notice small details regarding the differential gear placed on the bottom of the fusée. We have removed one arm. Previously we had 4 arms, and our engineers managed to lighten this wheel by removing 2 arms, allowing to better read the text. Force constant means constant force. So this is a moon phase with central second tourbillon display, displaying also the age of the moon and the power reserve. 2 watches have been created. It's a 10-piece limited edition. One features the near side of the moon, the visible side, and has a light color dial. And the other one is the dark side of the moon, the far side of the moon, that has obviously this dark color.
And the case is made of?
Alors, for the what you hold, the near side of the moon, the case is white gold, 18 karat white gold with ceramic lugs, black ceramic lugs. And for the other model, the case is crafted in Titanite, titanium with Titanite material, and case middle, all the case middle is crafted in 18 karat gold, but it is sandblasted. So this allows us to have not a too much light case, but to have a watch that has a nice weight. because sometimes for some collectors, cases crafted exclusively in titanium are a little bit light.